It's Randy McLaren, the country youth, me not come from foreign, are the creative activists. Nah, miss, you get the gist? I am not a die-hard fan or a party supporter. As a young youth, who me really fi vote for? Should it be Bruce or should it be Portia? Fi tell you the truth, me really don't know, sir. Die-hard fan, no party supporter. A young youth, who me really fi vote for? Should it be Bruce or should it be Portia? Fi tell you the truth, me really don't know, sir. Politics and the youths in a disconnect. Them underestimate fi we intellect. So me interject, cause enough of degrees yet them future wreck. What make so much youths have up intratech? With the white lady a getting jack. Jobs them can't get. Better days coming. Can't reach yet. No, this must be a joke thing. Without real change, I will not be voting. Cause me, I am not a die-hard fan or a party supporter. As a young youth, who me really fi vote for? Should it be Bruce or should it be Portia? Fi tell you the truth, me really don't know, sir. Die-hard fan, no party supporter. A young youth, who me really fi vote for? Should it be Power or should it be Shower? Fi tell you the truth, me really don't know, sir. So many rural children illiterate and proper resources and the rich I get. Hey, a serious thing and a joke me a make. Rural youths tired of neglect. Wait there, me not done yet. What a raw deal university get. Now, many a ponder, many a fret. How tuition I go pay? I don't know, Rasta. Now, we use about SLB that a strictly load, burden to we. Yeah. Strictly load and burden to we. But them say them a go change, make we wait and see. But until then, at this me a pre. Nuff can go start or finish a degree. And uno want me to take my identity from a political party. So what about my country, eh? So youths, put a country first. So no man, no Dan, no politician can give you gun fi burst. I am not a die-hard fan, no party supporter. As a young youth, who me really fi vote for? Should it be Bruce or should it be Portia? Fi tell you the truth, me really don't know, sir. Die-hard fan, no party supporter. Just a young youth, who me really fi vote for? Should it be Power or should it be Shower? Fi tell you the truth, me really don't know, sir. I don't support dependency, but it's your duty provide what you promise we. Employment, low. Enterprises, low. Surprising, low. Employment, low. Enterprises, low. Surprising, no. And a one party, so try your best. The two of them for blame for the current mess. Every day them a walk around a push up chest, in a jacket and tie. Blouse and skirt, down to my little knees feel hurt. We see how them behave in a garden house. Not for them house, you know. Garden house, the people them house. Now according to Rex, a butu in a Benz is a butu nonetheless. So stop dress your best figure cuss and trace. More time the youth have to make up them face. Cause some of the behavior stink. Is a big disgrace. Too many gross domestic parliamentarians. That's not up for debate. Change your approach before it's too late. Stop turning away well-thinking youths from Garden House Gate. I am not a die-hard fan, no party supporter. As a young youth, who me really fi vote for? Should it be Bruce or should it be Portia? Fi tell you the truth, me really don't. Not a die-hard fan, no party supporter. A young youth, who me really fi vote for? Should it be Power or should it be Shower? Fi tell you the truth, me really don't. No, sir.